I will talk about how can you create your credit on your MoneyLion app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so into your fund credit builder place loan, click on it. So when you just click on it here, so then you just switch into get you to this list. Click here on build my credit today here. So then it's going to take you to this list. So then here add your birthday and your phone number. Click here on this sign, then you click on send verification code. So when it's going to add with you, then automatically it's going to take you to create or build your credit on your MoneyLion app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.